the session. Let me share the screen. Okay, fine. And what is the answer, guys? Direct message to me only. Change it to me. Send direct message to me only. Okay. Is it interesting? Can we continue or we can stop it?
Very interesting, sir.
Very, very interesting. Yeah? Okay, so good guys. Okay, most of you said B. So answer is B. Okay, so log shipping basically works on your backup job, copy job, and restore job. Okay, right, fine. Let me go to the next question. Next question. Next question. 16th slide is completed. Yes. CAB stands for Control Authority Board, Common Authority Board, Change Authority Board, Change Authority Business. Hmm. Afifa is wrong. Okay. Hmm. Okay, fine. Hassan, what is your answer? Hassan, what is your answer, Hassan? It's A. Is it A, Hassan? Hassan, can you hear me? You're on mute, I guess. Okay, no problem. I cannot hear you. Okay. Govardhan Reddy, it is showing D. Okay. So the answer is C, guys. How many of you said C? That is correct. Change Authority Board. Okay. Not Control Authority Board, Common Authority Board. Okay. Change Authority Board is the correct answer. Okay. Let me go to the next question. Last question, guys. 15th question. Identify the ticketing tool from below. SCOM, Snow, Configuration Manager, Putty. Yeah, FIFA.
Sir, come wrong, sir.
Right only, sir. Afifa, how many of like till now, how many marks you got in 15 questions out of 15? 14. Okay. Out of 14, how many are correct?
Maybe 6, sir.
Maybe 6. What maybe?
And
Just a
6
minute.
అనుకుంటున్నాను సార్ 5 or 6.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
5 or 6 only, sir.
Uh-huh.
Almost wrong.
Uh-huh.
What I guess wrong, sir.
Right, that's it, guys. Toti Sunil, okay, you are wrong. Afifa, wrong. Okay, remaining other answers. Okay, okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Yes, everyone is correct. Okay. Uma, what is your answer? Uma, what is your answer, Uma? Okay, that's one that is last answer, I guess. Okay, not an issue. So the answer is Snow, Service Now. B, answer is B, not SCOM, Not configuration manager, not putty and all. Yes, 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Hello. Chepra Dharma. Guys, now send me your answers. Direct message to me. How many of you are correct? How many of you are wrong? Send me correct answers. 5 correct, 6 correct, like that. Send me. And again, guys, each and everything I have recorded. Every session is recorded. If you send me wrong answers, that I can easily find it out. Gordon Reddy 13. Sunil 2. Divya 14. Anjali 13. Ramesh Babu. Come on, guys. Those who said 13, 14, again, I'll review the results in the recordings. Okay. So again, if you want to change your result, you can change it now only. Not sure, less than 10. Okay. Four. Okay, guys. Okay, so this round winner is Divya. Please, everyone unmute and tell congratulations to Divya, guys. Please.
Congrats.
Congrats, Divya.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Okay.
Congratulations.
So Divya, out of 15 questions, okay, she answered 14 correct and 1 is wrong. What is that wrong question, Divya?
Orphan login, sir.
Orphan login. Everyone is having same. Okay, that's fine. Great, Divya. Great. Congratulations, Divya. Really. Okay.
Thank you.
Very happy. Guys, is it interesting? We'll go for another round. Another 15 questions. HADR completely.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is okay? Then let's jump quickly. Okay. We'll try to complete it as early as possible. Okay. And let me close this one and let me open that HADR. Okay. And let me directly jump into the questions. Tough file in log shipping stands for temporary undo file, transition undo file, transaction update file, transaction undo file.
Transaction.
Don't tell your answer. Guys, again, note down. Again, last time I forgot to tell you. Okay, note down how many of you are correct and wrong and all. At the end, you can, okay, I'll ask your result. Okay. And again, I'll monitor it. Don't think like if you tell any answer, that's not fine. Okay, I'll monitor it again. Okay, so that's it. Everyone said D. Hassan, you're wrong. Okay. And Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Okay, D transaction under file. B Hassan and Afifa and Uma Maheshwar. Okay, you three people are wrong. Okay, not transition undo file, transaction undo file. Okay, tough file means transaction undo file. Okay, so let me go to the next question quickly. Next question is log shipping basically works on dash backups, differential backups, copy only backups, full backups, log backups. Govardhan, okay. Hassan, okay. Mukesh, okay. Anjaneyulu, okay. Srinath, okay. Divya, okay. Sairam, okay. Ramesh Babu, please, Ramesh Babu. Please, okay, correct.
Okay, sir, I will leave if I don't know. If I know, I will only answer for that question, sir. With number.
At least that is
Similarly,
better.
like-
I won't upset. Every answer I am checking your result only. I am forgetting everyone.
It may be B, sir.
There is no maybe option. Okay, Afifa. This time Divya is also wrong. The answer is D, guys. Log shipping basically works based on your log backups. Okay, based on your log backups only, your log shipping is going to work. The answer is D. Okay, so let me go to the next question. What is the secondary database state?
Database state in
The synchronous mirroring. What is the secondary database state in the synchronous mirroring? Mirror synchronizing, principal synchronizing, mirror synchronized, principal synchronized. We'll close it in 15 minutes, guys. Okay, just wait for 15 more minutes. Okay, that's it. So the answer is C. Okay, the answer is C, guys. Mirror synchronized. What is the secondary database state in the synchronous mirroring? Synchronous. What is the secondary database state in the asynchronous mirroring?
Synchronizing, sir. Mirror synchronizing.
Very good. Okay, mirror synchronizing. If it is a synchronous, mirror synchronized. Okay, fine. The answer is C. Guys, the answer is C. Okay, let me go to the next question. Servers involved in the mirroring.
Servers involved in the mirroring. Principal plus C.
Please. Okay, you can talk in like yourself. Okay, don't tell the answer. You cannot be loud. Mukesh, Hassan, okay. Govardhan Reddy, okay. Gopi, okay. Anjaneyulu, Hassan again, okay, that's fine. Divya, okay. Govardhan Reddy changed answer, okay. Srinath. Okay, right, guys. Okay, good. The answer is C. A principal server, mirror server, and witness servers. Okay, so these are the servers involved in the mirroring. Okay, let me go to the next question. Right, and right. What is the prerequisite for adding an article in the transactional log shipping? Sorry, transactional replication. Sorry, guys. Go them C or A. What is that CA? Mukesh? Mukesh? Unmute once.
No,
D.
primary
You're working,
primary
right? Mukesh, you're working as a SQL DB, right?
yes.
Mukesh, you should be top, man.
Application log backup is required.
What is the prerequisite for adding an article in the transactional log? Transactional replication. Just 15 minutes. Guys, okay, so the answer is C. Okay, primary key is required. Okay, for configuring transactional replication, primary key is required, right? Okay, so Mukesh, you are wrong, man. Afifa, wrong. Okay, and who else wrong? Sairam, you are wrong. Okay, so the answer is C. Primary key is required to configure your transactional replication. Let me go to the next question, sixth question. And what files will generate when you take the snapshot of the article? Guys, very important question. What files will generate when you take the snapshot of the article? .pri, .pre, .msi, .msp, .sch, .pre, .sch, .wrk, .bak, .pre, .sch, .bcp, .idx, .pre, .sch, .bak, .bcp. That's it, guys. Completed. Again, my favorite student, Ramesh Babu Deva. Ramesh Babu, you can change your answer if you want. That is wrong. I'm giving you an option. 4 by 6. Up to now. Oh, is it? 4 out of 6. Correct or wrong? Ramesh? 4 out of 6, correct or wrong? Okay. Fine. Okay. So the answer is C. .pre, .sch schema, .bcp bulk copy, .idx, and is index. Okay. So the answer is C, guys. Let me go to the next question. How many IPs needed to configure active clustering with the 3 nodes and 2 applications? 6, 7, 8, 9. How many IPs are needed? 3 nodes with the 2 applications. No. Please. వస్తానండి. Let me see the answers. Govardhan C, Divya D, Hasan D, Gopi C, Mukesh C, Anjanelu D. 8 type is needed. Mukesh, Ramesh Babu D, B, and Afifa D. So guys, the answer is okay. It's D. It's D. 9 IPs needed. 2n plus if it is active. What is the formula? Two n plus 3. 2 into number of nodes. 2 into 3. 6 plus 3. 9. The answer is 9, guys. Okay, so the answer is 9. Those who said 8, 7, the answers are wrong. Correct answer is D, option D. Let me go to the next question. 8th question. Failover the application in clustering needs downtime. True, false. Sometimes true, sometimes false. None of the above. Guys, listen the question. Just check the question carefully. If you want to failure the application, do you need downtime or not required? Or sometimes required, sometimes not required. Kiran. Hello. Right. Okay. So the answer is, let me check this one. So most of you said B, false. Okay. I don't know why you said B. Srinath, now again wrong answer, C. Okay. So application downtime is required. Okay. Application failover. Okay. Needs downtime, guys. Without downtime, you cannot failover the application. Okay. Without downtime, you cannot failover the application and all. Downtime is required for this activity, and the answer is true. A. Answer is A. Those who said A, correct answer. Let me go to 9th question. What is the secondary server state in SQL clustering? Is it running or stopped state? Sometimes running, sometimes stopped, all of the above. Hmm. Hmm. Mukesh. That's it, guys. Any more answers? Okay, so the answer is B. Okay, it will be in stopped state. Someone said D, all of the above is not correct. I clearly told you what is the secondary server state in SQL clustering. Even though you fail over, it will become primary. Okay, if it becomes primary, automatically it will be up and running. Secondary, always that state should be stopped only, not all of the above. Clearly, the secondary state is stopped. Okay, SQL server clustering secondary state is stopped state. Okay. Okay, fine. Let me go to, we have 6 more questions, guys. We'll close it quickly. Nothing to worry. 10th question. Always on introduced from which SQL version? No, Ramesh Babu Deva. Right. Okay. Good, guys. Good. At least I'm happy. Everyone is correct. The answer is SQL 2012. Okay. Let me go to the next question. Right. What is the prerequisite for configuring AZ? Full and log backup required, full recovery model, simple recovery model, all of the above. This is a logical question. Okay, I'll check. Okay. Hmm. Most of you said, not most of you, up to now 3 persons. Okay, choose option A, right? And the answer is option B, full recovery model. Full and log backup, see, it's like it's not mandatory. It's not a prerequisite. Okay, if you want, you can take this full and log backup during configuration of AZ also. But the must and should, the mandatory is database should be in full recovery model, then only it will be eligible to add into the AZ setup. Of course, it's a procedure will take full and log backup, okay, before doing that, but we can skip that. That can be done using your SQL server, okay. Always on setup configuration window itself will take the full and log backup if you want. It's not prerequisite, it's a part of procedure. Okay, so the prerequisite is full recovery model, guys. The database recovery model should be full. Okay, right. Divya is wrong, Afifa is wrong, and one more is wrong. From where we can enable the always on feature? From SSMS, from SCOM, from failover manager, from configuration manager. That's it, guys. Anyone is pending? Option A, Srinath. Okay. Okay. That's it. I'm closing the window. Okay. So the answer is D, configuration manager. Okay. The answer is D, configuration manager, not SCOM and all. Okay. Srinath, you are wrong. As of now, I can see you, and apart from you, I can see Anjaneyulu Gaud and Hassan also, Mukesh also. I guess these answers for last question, I don't know. But the answer is D, guys. Okay. Configuration manager. Let me go to the next question, 13th question. What is the tool to monitor AOAG, always on availability group? SCOM, configuration manager, show dashboard, all of the above. Again, logical question. That's it. Fine. Okay, guys. Okay, fine. So the answer is show dashboard. Answer is C. Mukesh, you said SCOM. I don't know why you said SCOM. Okay. So you can monitor the always on using your show dashboard. Okay. The first thing is like show dashboard. Okay. The answer is show dashboard is the correct answer, and option is C. Okay. Then let me go to the next two questions, guys. 14th one, query to check long running sessions. SP who to, SP help DB, SP who is active, all of the above. Okay, so that's it, guys. And the answer is, okay, who is that last minute? I think A and C. No, Anjaneyulu. Only long running sessions you can monitor from who is active. Okay, not who to. Who to you can see all the sessions. Okay, but you cannot identify the long running sessions. Okay, so the answer is C, SP underscore who is active. Okay, fine. Final question, guys. Ready? And 15th one, maxed up value depends on RAM, SQL sessions, TempDB files, CPU cores. That's it, guys. Done. Anyone is pending with answers? I'm closing the question. Right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the answer is CPU cores. It's D. Okay, so the answer is CPU cores. It's D. Most of you said CPU cores only. Good. And guys, let me know the result, guys. In 3 minutes, we are going to close it. So I just want to close the meeting. Tell me, what is the result, everyone? Ramesh Babu 7, Divya 12. Tell me guys. 13. Mukesh 9. Is it Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
Can you verify once? Why? Because most of your answers are wrong only. I'm sure
Yeah, it is correct.
9 only.
Yes. 9 is correct.
Okay.
Yeah, 9 is correct.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. So that's it, guys. Everyone, right? The result is, what is this 12 2 are changed? What is the 2 are changed? Answers changed or options changed?
First of all, wrong answer type.
Okay.
After
I'll consider only 12. Okay. Right. Okay, guys. So this I'm not sure. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that. Let me check everyone. Let me check everyone. Okay. And Divya 12, Anjaneyulu Gaud 13, and Govardhan 12, Govardhan 12 again. Right. So this round winner is Anjaneyulu Gaud 13, and congratulations Anjaneyulu Gaud. So guys, please congratulate Anjaneyulu.
Congratulations.
Yes. Okay, guys.
Congrats, bro.
Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for your support. Okay. So, and finally, yeah, finally, this is like a bye message from my side. Take care, guys. In case of any issues, okay, you can call me at any time. This is me, okay? This is not this one, this is me, and this is you. Okay. And take care, guys. If you have any issues, any questions at any time, you can call me, okay? Great. Okay, great, guys. This is a greatest batch and this is the sweetest batch. Okay, why? Because this is the highest number of students I supported till now, guys. Highest number of batch. This is batch 39. Definitely. Until again, if I raise 30 students, you are the top batch till now. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for your support, guys. Great and best of luck for all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, the
Thank you,
meeting
sir.
is going to close now.
Thank
Yeah,
you, sir.
thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, take care.
Sir, thank
Good
you so
night.
much.
Yeah, good night. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Good night. Bye.
Advance Deepavali, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.